So when using an iPad with younger students, we sometimes want to control what apps they are using. To do this, we can use guided access. We select General, and then we come down to guided access. Turn it on, and then set an access passcode. For this, I've just chosen the super secret 111111 and entered it twice. So what guided access actually does is it changes the way that you can use an app. So for instance, if a child's using an app, they can press the home button to go out of the app into another app. They can use their fingers to swipe to the left or the right, and they can cause a few problems when you're trying to get them to use a specific app. So with guided access, we just hit the home button 3 times quickly, insert the secret password, and it brings up a set of new options. So now we've got the ability to turn off the sleep, wake or home button, turn off volume control, disallow any motions, and turn off keyboards. But in all essence, the actual iPad app is still being able to be used in exactly the same way. The student is now no longer, though, able to move out of the app. If we quickly press the home button 3 times and enter the passcode, we then have the option to change the settings we've set. So we can make it so the home button is open for use again, and quick and easy, and it still keeps the guided access. Or if we want to, home button 3 times, and then we can choose to end guided access. Quick, simple, very effective within class.